So the question for today is that how much percentage an investor should invest in small cap and mid cap? We have our industry expert, Mr. Satish Prabhu, to answer this now.
It totally depends on your risk appetite. But I would go one more step further and say that those who are young in their careers, who are say between 25 and 30 years, and do not need the money for longer periods of time, I would say that they should invest more in mid and small because they have a higher compounding possibility. So if you can keep that particular percentage, whether that percentage is 50, 60, whatever that percentage is, if you can keep that for really long periods of time, that can really help compound your money better. But for anyone else, I would say it's a factor of your risk appetite. It's a factor of your investment horizon. Like I said, your investment horizon has to be more than 5 years. But at the same time, if when the market falls and you cannot digest the fall because mid and small caps tend to fall more, then I would say that percentage has to be less. But if you are able to digest the fall, then you can invest more.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.